Ona thengia wa gukorwo ni ateti kuma ciama ngũrani, atongoria aya marehetwo hamwe ni itanya ria gutigirira mugambo wa mbeũ njithi guku bururi-ini ni waiguo.
What is important for us is the space of young people. And what we are saying is, through this process of building bridges, we will stand for the interest of the young people, no matter what then political decision is taken by the country.
Matongoretio ni Senator wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja na uria no mutongoria wa gikundi giki kia bunge thi maigite mbeũ njithi ni makoretwo magitigwo na thutha na kuhinyiririo kumana na itumi ngũrani ta guthutukanio riria mieke ya mawira yoneka.
Even recently, that our young people are being left out of appointments for various reasons. In the last parliament, we were able to succeed and we got more than 35 young people into boards and they performed very well. We're asking what is happening. Isn't the contribution of young people still required in this country?
So we'd ask that our executive looks into this and make sure that those opportunities that are made for you, they actually enjoy it.
Mũmbunge wa Kĩharũ Ndĩndĩ Nyoro akiuga mbeũ njithi ni magĩrĩire kũheagwo mĩeke ya iturwa na kwandĩkwo mawĩra nĩguo makahota gwĩkũria na kurehe mogarũrũku merũ marĩa mangĩrehera bũrũri wa Kenya umithio.
Kwa hivyo tunauliza pia viongozi wenye wako juu yetu, vile tu wananchi walionyesha kwa njia ya kuchagua sisi, hata ikikuja ni kwa nominations na kupea watu kazi, especially kazi kubwa za policy, zile zina direct policy katika nchi yetu ya Kenya, kwa board of parastatus, kwa ma PSs, kwa CSs, we would request to see the representation of young people, kwa sababu there is no person who can champion the cause of young people other than the young person himself.
Ungumania ni umwe wa maundu maria gikundi giki kigwetete urarehe thina munene guku bururi-ini kumana na uhuthiri moru wa kigina kiria kingiteithia mbeũ njithi kana gwika maundu mangi ma ukuria.
Angalia the people who are rich in this country, they are either the especially the former government people, kuonyesha ya kwamba hii jambo ama jaga la corruption inazidi kukula nchi yetu na inazidi to tear our country apart.
Maigite watho mururu ungigathikwo wa kung'ethanira na aria maraungumania na ukorwo ugiteithia bara-ini ino na kuria honge iria iruaga na ciiko ici ciuritio kwirutaniria makiria niguo kung'ethanira na ungumania.
Ukishikwa na ufisadi, tumeweka ya kwamba it is not less than 1 million na tumeweka it's not less than 10 years kufugwa.
Asking the DPP, that pomp and alacrity, I think we saw he had a lot of energy, the DPP and the DCI. I don't know why they have cooled down. Please, the young people of this country want to see convictions. The young people of this country want to see their future being safeguarded and their tomorrow being guaranteed.
Abunge aya oho makiuga thiini wa mogarũrũku maria makoretwo makiendekithio ma gatiba gukorwo na urugamiriri wa mbeũ njithi kuona nio aingĩ guku bururi-ini.
Coming up with a law that public officers should not be doing business. Let other people, the youth who are unemployed right now, who are over, 70%, to be doing business so that we're able to achieve this 30% business procurement opportunities for young people.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu gĩkundi gĩkĩ nĩ kĩũrĩtie Ministry ya Gĩthomo gũtigĩrĩra arutwo nĩ mahota kwamũkĩra mathomo mega na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire.
We will not allow our pupils to go in school and stay 70 and 100 of them in one class. That is not 100% transition at all. So we are asking the Ministry of Education, let us allocate more resources towards building our classrooms, towards employing more teachers. Tuseme tu bora elimu, tuseme ni elimu bora.
Start offering courses that are market driven, and that is at the point where now the market actually has a say as to what courses are being offered in our local universities or colleges.
Ngĩribotera Njata TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Njeri wa Njoroge.